RedMagic, Nubia's gaming sub-brand, will launch the RedMagic 10 Pro series of smartphones on November 13th in China. The series is expected to include the RedMagic 10 Pro, RedMagic 10 Pro Plus, and RedMagic 10 Ultra. Now the brand shared the official images of the RedMagic 10 Pro series to showcase its design and color options for the first time. Like the predecessor RedMagic 9 Pro series, the upcoming lineup continues to sport a flat design without any camera protrusion on the back. The RedMagic 10 Pro series will be available such as Dark Knight, Day Warrior, Deuterium Transparent Dark Knight, and Deuterium Transparent Silver Wing. The RedMagic 10 Pro series has a completely flush camera module on the glass back. The RedMagic 10 Pro series maintains its triple camera setup, positioning the RGB LED ring below the two large cameras. The right edge of the RedMagic 10 Pro series features gaming trigger buttons, a fan vent, a volume rocker, a power button, and a mode slider switch. The left side of the phone features another fan vent. The transparent variants have some transparent elements on the back, including the Snapdragon 8 Elite logo. The brand just shared a fresh teaser video, confirming its impressive display specs. The teaser was for the RedMagic 10 Pro lineup, which showcased its new Wukong screen. RedMagic claims that this is the industry's first 1.5K true full screen with a 95.3% screen-to-body ratio and 2000 nit peak brightness, a tall 7-inch plus OLED display and 144 Hz refresh rate, and an under-display selfie camera. This is the first hands-on video RedMagic 10 Pro. The lineup will run on a Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset with up to 24 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage. The RedMagic 10 Pro series are also expected to house a dedicated gaming chip and a PC-level cooling system for improved heat dissipation. A massive 7050 mAh battery pack is expected to power this device, which may support 120W wired fast charging, a 50MP main camera, and 16MP front camera. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.